Hello, once again, welcome back to FreshTalk, and happy World Environment to all of you. The World Environment is celebrated on 5th of June every year. So it is a day to clean our environment and to keep our environment safety. Here we go and have some.
Well, here is our executive engineer, Mahur Town Committee, Sidpal, and myself, H. Rame, Executive Officer, Mahur Municipal Board. And today we stand here for the massive drive. Actually, welcome all the Enrayburg Presbytery and the Synod PYF members for collaborating with the Municipal Board of Mahur on World Environment Day. Today we are on Plantation Drive. At the same time, we carry out Swachh Bharat mission, Clean Mahur, Green Mahur, and we really appreciate the PYF and Mr. Bharat and his team, and also Dimasas Union DSU, as a combined team of the Dimasas Union and PYF Synod, and brother and sister in Christ BLESSEB Society, and self-help groups, along with the Municipal Board Mahur Town, have organized a massive plantation drive in and around Municipal Board areas of Mahur. We believe that these sensitizations and awareness about the green and clean air pollutions and solid waste management, this problem will be a thing of the past in the days to come. If the people knows what is the cause of pollutions, what is the cause of air pollutions, what is the cause of environmental pollutions, if the people knows, if we stop polluting, then our planet will be a better place to live. Thank you.
Myself, Kelvin Rangol, Secretary of the CHT Synod PYF. आज वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे का ओकेशन में हम लोग माहौर टाउन में आया है। हम लोग माहौर टाउन को सफ़ा करने का कोशिश किया है सुबह से, और अभी जितना तक करा है, अभी आप पीछे भी देख सकता है, कर रहा है लड़का लोग। CHT Synod PYF जितने भी माहौर एरिया के अंदर में लोकल चार्जेस है, फॉर एग्जांपल सरन है, गार्डन है, जे है ब्राउन, और काफ़ी चार्जेस है यहाँ में। इन सभी चार्जेस के युवा आया है आज इकट्ठा, करीबन 70 से 80 लोग आया है। और वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे का दिन में हम लोग आज साफ़ सफाई माहौर टाउन के लिए स्पेशली कर रहा है, और कल होगा हरंगजाव टाउन, एंड सिमिलरली ऑन द अगस्त विल बी हैविंग अ cleanliness drive in Haflong town. So we are very much excited, and we are very much thankful to Mahur Town Committee also for providing us with a vehicle that is right here for dumping the garbages. And we are also thankful to Town Committee for providing all the essential and the necessary requirements which we need for cleaning the town. And as of now, you can see around 70 to 80 youths are here cleaning the town, and we are almost on the verge of completion for today's program. And similarly, हम लोग कल जाएगा हरंगजाव में। हरंगजाव में भी we expect like 100 to 150 youths आके पार्टिसिपेट करेगा। और CHT सिनोड PYF हर साल की तरह इस साल भी हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया, गया साल का भी ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया था वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के दिन में। और आशा करता कि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से भी हम लोग कहीं अच्छा तरीका का मदद भी मिलेगा हरंगाजाव की तरफ से भी और हाफलोंग टाउन कमेटी साफ़ सफाई करने में भी। थैंक यू।
Hello, I'm Mahur. I'm the Secretary of Neighbor Presbytery. And today on the 48th World Environment Day, with CST Synod, PYF collaborate with the Mahur Town Committee. We clean the Mahur Town. And we are very much to be part of this program. And we know that the world environment is very much important as with the responsible citizens and as well as the church members. We took part in this cleanliness program, and this year the theme of the world environment is beat air pollution. So in this regard, we clean the drainage and we clean the roads, and all the PYFs took part actively, and we are very much appreciative of this program. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, myself Bharat Jemi, and I am the Finance Secretary of PYF CHT Synod, and also today the PYF CHT Synod has appointed me as the in charge of today's social work at Mahur Town. And this social work we have been organizing since last 2 years, and probably this is the third time that we are organizing this kind of social work. And this social work is not confined only in Mahur, but subsequently tomorrow we are going to have social work at Harangajao town also, and on August 12th we will be having at Haflong together combinedly in a large manner. So PYF, the basic message of today's social work is that PYF is not confined only within the church activity or within the wall of church. We are rather beyond. Our activities is beyond the church, and we towards the upliftment of the social, towards the betterment of the society, and for the clean and green society. And today, as the theme of today's Environment Day goes, beat air pollution, we are committed to build a better society, beating air pollution, and so that our earth becomes a good place to live with, to grow with, and to prosper with. Thank you.
this plant is provided to save our environment. It is distributed by the town committee, Mahur town committee. So thank you so much for this tree. You can save our life by this tree.